What's going on, everybody? Come back here. Gonna do this box 2014 Topps Series 2. Little recap here before we get started. Did some packs and stuff at the LCS today. Picked up this Jim Thome off of eBay for the Thome PC. That's out of 50 from 05 Upper Deck Reflections. Did some packs of Series 1 and Series 2 Topps. Pulled this Jose Abreu rookie. Out of Series 1, Clayton Kershaw short print. Series 2, Josh Zeed, black border at 63, an Ed Lucas camo at 99, and a Ike Davis bat relic. Try to get the lighting over there. Did a couple packs of Bowman Chrome Baseball. Got this Avisail Garcia pink out of 35, rookie refractor, and an Adam Walker redemption. And then did some packs of Bowman Football. Didn't do as well as the last time I did it, but got this Bridgewater base. Brandon Cooks blue out of 499. Charles Clay red refractor out of 25. Torrey Smith jersey out of 99. And this Kadeem Carey rookie auto undrafted out of Arizona. Alright, so now you're all caught up. Let's get into this box, shall we? Get something to open it with. Alright. Still looking for a David Price base card to complete my second set of this. I have like the red, well, speak of the devil. Like I said, I had the red parallel of this, the gold parallel, and the player code things of this card, but not the base card, so I need that for the set. So that's my second set I got now. Dylan Bundy. Okay. This might have something in it. Natalie Felice jersey. Oh, that kind of sucked. Make sure there's no sparkle. Natalie Felice, second pack. Is it even numbered? Oh, it is numbered. Okay. It's numbered to 99, so that's not too bad, I guess. So I saw gold lettering on it, so at least it's numbered to 99. Let me put that off to the side over there. David Ortiz gold. Jerkson Profar short print. It's just a weird looking card. Alan Craig red. Not done on the canal. Xander Bogaerts. I'll look at these later. Looking for sparkle cards. Jake Arrieta gold and a Josh Donaldson Saber Stars. Excuse me. Gold is Drupal Cabrera and a Don Mattingly Future Stars thick card. I've never pulled a parallel of this. I haven't pulled one yet. The one's numbered to 99. David Wright Power Codes. Cards every which way. Moustakas red. Kevin Gausman, Future Stars. Denard Span. That's nice. Andrew McCutchen. I don't think I got that one for the PC. Oh, that's pretty nice. Mike Trout, Future Stars. Used to have a ton of those base cards. And it's gold, Adam Lind. Taylor Jordan red, rookie. Back-to-back Connor Gillespie's. One's a gold, one's a base. Ooh, nice. Another acetate. Chris Parmalee. This is out of 10. Pulled the Sean Marshall of this. That's pretty nice. 2 out of 10, so that's pretty good. So one thing I like about these boxes, they're usually loaded with some low-numbered stuff. Michael Wacha. Unlike the jumbos, usually get like some blacks, some camos, a short print like that. Flip. Colton Wong. Flip. This one feels fat. Lorenzo King gold. That one had some extra cards in it. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Pettibone red. Power players in Kinsler. Gold Craig Kimbrell, and then a buyback of Rogelio Mortet. Your guess is as good as mine. Xander Bogaerts. J.A. Hapgold and an Odell Jones. I think this is 78, yep. Starlin Castro mini. Von Rodriguez mini. There you go. McCutchen. Freeman. Make sure I'm not missing anything. No sparkle. Seal Puig, Steve Carlton mini. Jose Abreu rookie, that's nice. Rob Wooten, gold. Scott Kazmir gold and a David Wright red. Miggy. Oh, this is gonna fall over. Prince Fielder mini. Phil Hughes red. Okay. Getting down to it. Taiwan Walker. 4 more. Waka. There we go. Cano. Tanaka, that's nice. 2 more. Another Price, that's cool, because I need that one. Card 489. Sonny Gray Future Stars. Power player Tim Lincecum. Should have pulled that last week. Threw that no-hitter. Last pack. Gotta go dig under these packs for the hits now for the recap. Man, not one... whatever. Matt Carpenter. I was gonna say no camo or black, but I think that acetate makes up for it. So to recap, if I can find the cards. Got a Jerickson Profar short print. Chris Parmelee out of 10. Acetate. And Natalie Flees out of 99. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.